Murphy, the pride of Quezon City. Clap your hands for the amazing Tonzi.
Test. Hey, sound check. Sir, walang music. Alright, good evening. Happy anniversary. Palakpakan naman natin yung PO. Happy anniversary. Tapos ko na ng spotlight dito. Okay, pakilala muna pala ako. My name is Tonzi. And sino po yung hindi nakakilala sa akin? Taas yung kamay. Okay lang po. Taas po kamay. Okay lang. Hindi kita kilala eh. Charot. Anyway guys, I'll try to do something amazing tonight. So, are you familiar with cards? Familiar kayo sa cards? So, I want to involve everybody. So, involve ko lahat. So, lalapit ako sa inyo guys. So, yan. Bibigyan kayo ako a couple of cards, some of you guys. Yan. Mga cards with you. Cedric. Sino pa? Ito mga bisita. I'll give you a couple of cards guys. Ito gawin natin. I want you to shuffle those cards and tell me when you're satisfied. Yan. Yun na, may music. Tell me when you're satisfied, guys. Are you done? Okay na? Galing magwala sa nito, oh. Done? You're done? You're done? Are you done? Thank you. So guys, lahat tayo, lahat kayo binigyan ko ng cards, tama? Everybody gave you each cards, tapos you shuffled until you're satisfied. Sino pwede maging volunteer natin? Sino? Sino kaya? Ikaw na lang ulit yung volunteer niyo. Palakpakan naman natin si... Ano pangalan mo ulit? Say again? Name po? Ano mo si Fernando po? Anak? Sige. These cards, pakitaas yung kamay ng mga nagpalaso ng cards. Pakitaas yung mga kamay. Alright, ito gawin natin. Can you... Yes, join me here on the stage. Palakpakan natin si Babe po. Yung mga nag-shuffle, pakitaas kamay. Can you hold the cards? Shuffle nila, satisfied sila. Ganito gawin natin. I want you to deal 8 cards. Deal 8 cards. Oh, 8 cards. Sige, deal. 1, 2, 3. Ang galing magbilang. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Thank you. Ganito gawin natin, guys. Alright, so I want you to look at the cards. Pero dapat hindi ko malaman yung cards. Gather the cards and show it to them. I will turn around. Tatalikod ako. Okay? Tatalikod ako. Gather the cards. Show it to everybody. If you can memorize it, mas maganda. Sige. Tell me when you're done. Get the cards. Show it to them. Yeah, show it to them. Are you done? Tama, done na? Sige, okay na? Okay na? Sige, you can go there to that area. Ganito gawin natin. Sige. Good. Yan. So guys, do you know the cards? So those are random cards kasi sinapol ng lahat tama. Random cards. Ganito gawin natin, May. So May, I will try to figure out a card from the deck. Pag naka-figure out ako kahit isa, would that be amazing?
Yes.
Baka tsamba. Sige, May. Don't show the cards to me. Please, I'm going to try to use my feelings to know one card, kahit one card lang. I see, merong red card? Is there a red card?
Yes.
Is a heart?
Yes.
Can you give me the 9 of hearts?
Yes.
Give me the 9 of hearts, thank you. Alright. We continue hanggang sumablay ako. Now, I see another red. Is there another red?
Yes.
Medyo pointed. It's a low number. Can you give me the Ace of Diamonds? Thank you. Now, I see a black card.
Yes.
Infinity. Now give me the 8 of spades. Three cards. How many to go? 5 more to go. 5 to go. I have 3 cards already here. Now, it's a low number. Can you give me another hand, 2 of hearts? 4 cards. This time, the first person, unang tao, lalaki, Jack of Clubs. And now, finally, how many cards to go? Finally, another. Give me another clubs, the 5 of clubs. Sakto yung music ah. Ganda. Finally, may babae na. It's a heart. Give me the Queen of Hearts. And finally, one last to go. Jack of Spades. Thank you. Again, ito na lang. Baka sabihin ng Chava, I want to involve everybody. Sige, you may not sit down, mate. You can now sit down. Sige, I want to involve everybody. Sige, can you please get one card? Get one card, thank you. Don't show it to me. Sino pa pwede? Please get one card, don't show it to me. Thank you. Who else? Pwede ikaw? Okay lang. You're from? Get one card, don't show it to me. Thank you. Right. So we have how many? Can you raise your hands? Lahat na nabigyan. 1, 2, 3. Lahat na lang ka po, bigyan ko na. Okay ka, Hitler ka eh. 1. Lahat na lang ka po. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin yung mga taga-ulong ka po. Dumayo pa talaga sila para lang mapanood tayo dito. Alright, don't show it to me guys. Don't show it to me. Ayan. Kasi baka sabihin nyo kanino Chamba. Now let's find out. Ayan. Who was the first to get one card? Imagine the card. Try to figure out your card. Please give me. It's a heart. The 10 of hearts. Thank you. Cedric. Mamaya ah. Meron ka? Sino meron? Yung pangalawa. What's the second of that card? Was it you? Can you give me a black card? It's a black card. Give me the Ace of Clubs. Thank you. 2 cards, straight to go. Black. You don't have a black. You have a red. You don't have a black. It's a diamond. Give me the 3 of diamonds. Thank you. Hoy! Batchmate. Ikaw yung nag-renew ka na ba? Di ba? Laban ka. May kita ka ni Papa Tel. Naka-video to. Sige. I see black card. Send black. You have to have 5 of spades. Thank you. And the last, oy, batchmate. Mahirap basahin to. Do you happen to have a red card? Number 7 of diamonds. Thank you. So that's how you read cards. So ganito gagawin natin. Yan. So that's what we call reading minds. Binabasa yung isip. What if we do prediction? Sige, prediction tayo. I have here a prediction that somebody... Can somebody hold my prediction? Can somebody hold this? Yeah, kuya. I have here a prediction right here. Yan, pahawak lang. Thank you. Yeah. And I want somebody to hold a... this is a prediction by the way. So iba siya sa mind reading. Can you be my volunteer? Who can be my volunteer? So prediction naman siya. It's a prediction. It's something that will happen in the future that I happen to know before it actually happens. So that's prediction. So I have here a couple of cards right here. Ito gawin natin. Yan, ikaw na lang. Mga bisita natin from Malonga po. Alright. Sige, I'll shuffle the cards. Yun. And you stay stop whenever you want so that you will have your card. Right here. Alright, I'm not going to look. Do you see his card? You have to remember your card, or else magmumukha kang tanga mamaya. Yan, you remember his card? Alright, so your card is now somewhere lost in the middle of the deck. Nasa gitna siya and we don't know what is your card. Ganito gawin natin. If your card will match my prediction, guys, will that be amazing? And my prediction is none other than the Ace of Diamonds.
Oh.
Hindi. Hindi. Totoo. Wait.
Same color.
This is not the Ace of Diamonds. Guys, tama ba siya? It's not the Ace of Diamonds?
No.
Tama?
No.
Ito na lang gawin natin. Do you know how to send messages using your brain? Ganito na lang. Imagine your card, this hand, this is your card, going towards my face. That's like using your brain, sending message to my brain. Imagine your card, the suit, the color, and the value of the card. Imagine it slowly floating towards my face. Actually, I see a card. Pero ibabalik ko sa utak ko. Pag nabalik ko sa utak ko, guys, would that be amazing? Siguro hindi ganun ka-amazing. Bakit? Kasi galing na sa utak ko yun eh. Tama? What if? Isend ko sa phone ko. Pag napunta sa phone ko yung card na nasa isip niya, guys, would that be amazing? Heckler ka ba doon? Sige. Alright, ganito gawin natin. I want you to imagine sending the card to my phone. Then you will actually have to blow my phone so that the magic will happen. Can you actually do that? Imagine the card, then blow my phone, and actually Queen of Diamonds is coming out from my phone. Is that your chosen card? Is that amazing, guys? Na-send sa phone ko? What if ma-send ko sa lahat ng phone dito? Can you guys please check your phones? And go to your Wi-Fi and see if the card that he has chosen will be in your cell phone as well. Is it in your phones? Then what is the card again if it's in your phone, guys? It is the... Everybody is the Queen of Diamonds. Everybody, thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. Kung magpe-prediction lang din tayo, ayan. I have one prediction here. Pero bago ko gawin yung prediction ko, kailangan ko ng isang volunteer. Yung babaero. Yung babaero.
Francis Santos!
Sino?
Francis Santos!
Sino yung babaero? Francis Santos! Walang mga naman natin si Francis Santos. Sige, okay, upo ka lang dyan. Baka makita ka nila. Yeah, Francis Santos! I have here my prediction. I'll be showing it to you guys. It will be here. Ganito, Francis Santos. Babaero ka daw?
Ado, nagpa-ado.
Babaero ka daw? Yan ang tabak ng babaero. Dinideny. Palakpakan. Palakpakan, dinideny. Francis Santos, imagine right hand, you're holding a red rose. Very good. Imagine your left hand, you're holding a yellow rose. Red and yellow. Now put one on the table. What would that rose be? Yellow. You're holding, hold it up, everybody. You're holding red rose. Tandaan nyo ha. He's holding the red rose. Tandaan nyo. Francis Santos, damay-damay na to. Isa pang babaero, magturo ka. Damay-damay na to. Isa pa. Isa pang babaero. Wala kang kilala? Tatabi mo.
Dina Ghost!
Oh, yan. Ito na lang. Cedric! Palakpakan natin si Cedric. Cedric. May balita ako, hindi ako sure. Demure daw ito at mindful. Tama? Cedric, pangilang girlfriend na siya. Marami na, kita mo na, marami na. Cedric, dahil babayaro ka at marami ka na naging ex. Do you still remember yung unang-unang date mo? First date, kahit nung hindi ka pa basta first date. Do you remember that day? That exactly yung first date mo?
Yung pinaka-pecha?
Yung pinaka, yun, sige, kahit yun lang. When was your first date?
Hindi mo makakala.
Parang kahit hindi siya yun, Sabi niya. Sige, kailan nangyari yun? January, December, February, March? Sometime in June. Around what day? 1, 2, 3, first week, second week, third week? First week, so 1 to 7. June 6. Parang tumamamurot. June 6, palakpakan natin yung babae sa Cedric, June 6. Tapos yung next ko, na volunteer, kailangan ko rito yung babae malakas yung kutob. Malakas yung kutob. Kayo na lang dalawa, pag-aawayin ko kayo. Palakpakan natin yung malakas yung kutob, pag-aawayin ko kayo. Ano pangalan? Rachel. Malakas ang kutob. Malakas ano? Malakas ang assistant, malakas ang kutob. Pag si Cedric nagpunta ng CR, dala yung cellphone, kinukutoban? Kinukutoban? Pag si Cedric nagpunta ng CR, ay dala cellphone, paulit-ulit yung tugtog. Wala kang 30 seconds, umuulit na naman. Kung kinukutoban? Oo. Tapos malakas yung gripo. Silencer. Alam na. Anyway, ganito gawin natin. Dahil malakas yung kutob mo, susubukan ko kung gaano kalakas yung kutob mo. Okay? I'm going to write something here. Gamitin mo yung kutob mo para malaman what is the word I'm going to write here. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Now, do you have any idea of the word that I've written here? Any idea lang? Do you have any idea? Louder, do you have any idea? Gamitin mo yung kutob mo. Pag si Cedric nasa CR, pag si Cedric paulit-ulit yung tugtog ng 20 seconds lang at malakas yung gripo. Now, do you have any idea what is the word that I've written here? Yes or no? 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 Patay ka. No! Exactly the word! Palakpakan naman natin. It's no! Ngayon, gagamitin ko yung lakas ng kutob mo. Gamit yung kutob mo, choose a number between 1 to 99. Any number, 1 to 99. What would that be, that number? 61? Do you want to change your mind? Please. 28. Sige. Unang pinili mo, 61. The next, you've chosen, 28. Ganito gawin natin. I'll give you another chance. Ito yun. You can stay on, what's that, 21? You can stay on 61. You can go back to 28. Or, you can choose another random number. What do you want to do? Go back to 61, stay on 28, or choose another random number. Random number na naman. Stay on 26. 28. Ganito gawin natin. I have here on my may mga baraha pa pala ako. Yan. May baraha. Alright, I have here on my phone. Meron ako dito notes. Alright, I'll show you my notes. Any particular reason why I chose 68? 68? 28. Any particular reason why you chose 28? Birthday mo. Hindi ko alam na birthday mo So, I'm going to show you my notes, may celebrities. Punta tayo sa celebrities. Can you check sino yung number 1 celebrity? Tom Hanks. Can you check number 10? Alright. Can you check number 15? Can you attest they are different? All different. All different, tama? Alright. And, do you know some of them or most of them? Matandaan na ito, malabo mata ko. Sige. Now, we go to your number. What was your number? 28. If you stay on 61, who would that celebrity be? 61. It's Ariana Grande. Dapat. Pero nag-change ka sa 28 and that is Brad Pitt. If you didn't change your mind, your celebrity would have been Ariana Grande. Tama? What you change your mind is Brad Pitt. Guys, if I have the picture of Brad Pitt here, would that be amazing? Yes. Walang dito? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, the picture of Brad Pitt! No, 4 years old siya. Hindi, siya yan, blondie, siya yan. Well, anyway, just kidding. I have here a prediction. I told you a while ago, I have here a prediction. Nakasulat sa prediction, I heart you. Now we open my prediction. On my prediction, it says your date will start with a red rose. Lakpakan natin with a red rose. And your date happened, kailan yung nangyari yung date mo? Your date happened on June 6. And your date is none other than Brad Pitt. Thank you so much everybody. My name is Tonzi and enjoy the rest of the evening.